Okay friends, today we are going to discuss acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth and also next below the surface of the earth and also at the center. Here you know about acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration you know, here try to understand all the things which we want to discuss here. Here acceleration question, this is question number 5 and try to understand all the things. This is also a derivative. Acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth, okay, of the earth. Here try to understand acceleration. You know acceleration means change of velocity per unit time. Here you have to find expression or derivation. You may say let r is equal to radius or radius, m is equal to mass, g is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Okay, try to understand. Here you know g is equal to gm by r square. How do you obtain this thing? You know g comes from this expression. What are the expression? F is equal to g mm by r square and also F is equal to mg. You know force is equal to what? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Also here F is equal to g mm by r square. What is this? This is universal law of gravitation which is given by Newton. You know in the case of universal law of gravitation, everybody in the universe attract another body with a force. What thing? Everybody in the universe attract another body with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses, and inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Okay, F is equal to md. Now here g is equal to gm by r square. How do you get this thing? Here mm cancel, and cancel. When will you do? What will you get? Here this thing will be equal to this. Then simply g is equal to gm by r square. You can obtain. So here I have written g is equal to gm by r square. Try to understand. Here I have written this thing. Now and g dash is the acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth, It means g dash, what will you do? Right, g dash gm by r plus h whole square. That is equation 2. Here I have written equation first. Here try to draw this figure. Here suppose this is center of mass. Here acceleration due to gravity g. This distance is radius r and above the surface this is h. Okay, and here you have to find g dash. G dash gm by r plus h whole square, that is 2. divide. Now very simple thing, it is also a simple divide equation 2 by equation first. Divide equation, this equation should be divided by this equation. So g dash by g is equal to gm by r plus h whole square, r square by gm. What will you get? This thing cancel, simply r square by r plus h square, r square by r plus h whole square. What will you get? G dash by g is equal to r square by r plus h square. Now again g dash by g r square, here common r square, 1 plus h by r whole square. Now here you are seeing r square by r square, this will be cancelled, and finally what will you obtain? 1 plus h by r to the power minus 2. This thing will go high, so power will be changed, power will be minus 2. Okay, try to understand all the things related to this. Here next thing we want to discuss, and next thing, and next thing g dash by g is equal to 1 minus 2h by r by through binomial expression 1 plus h by r minus 2, you can obtain 1 minus 2h by r. While you will study algebra, in the last chapter you will discuss about binomial expression. Through this expression, what will you get? G dash by g is equal to 1 minus 2h by r. And finally what will you get? G dash is equal to g1 minus 2h by r. That will be give g1 minus 2h g by r. Here what thing are you observing? Here in this here you are observing that g minus, it means decreasing. What things? Decrease. I am repeating this thing once again. Here first thing, g is equal to gm by r square, that is first, and g dash gm by r plus h square, because you have to take acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth. So r plus h square, that is second. Divide equation 2 by equation first. G dash by g gm by r plus h square into r square by gm r square r plus h square. And here all things note, g dash by g r square by r square cancel, and finally 1 plus h r by minus 2, here minus 2. You are not able to find out value whenever there is negative sign. But here if you want to solve using binomial expression, what will you get? G dash by g 1 minus 2h by r. It means g dash g 1 minus 2h by r. It means here g minus 2h by r. Simply you are seeing that here g minus, it means acceleration due to gravity. There is some lack of in acceleration due to gravity. It means above the surface of the earth, acceleration due to gravity, what will be happen? Decrease. Okay. Now next thing we want to discuss, and next thing is okay, try to understand. Here acceleration due to gravity above the surface of the earth and below the surface of the earth. Okay, try to understand all the things which is given here. And next thing we want to discuss here, that is acceleration due to gravity below the surface of the earth. In this case, what will you do? Here let r is equal to radius, m is mass, and g is acceleration due to gravity. Okay, try to understand what things. Let r is equal to radius, m is equal to mass, g is equal to acceleration due to gravity. Now you know this thing, I have already discussed. G is equal to gm by r square. Let, here next thing, let rho is density. Rho means density, mass per unit volume. Rho is density of earth. Okay, try to understand. Rho is density of earth. Here m, what thing? M is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube into rho. Here what thing? Let rho is the density of the earth. Then m is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube rho, and g is equal to g multiply 4 by 3 pi r cube rho by r square. Here you know g is equal to gm by r square. So here you will put value of m, gm by r square. M is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube rho. Okay, now next thing, or g is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r rho. Okay, now and here figure, here in this case, here it will take center and above the surface of the earth. This is g and this is g dash. This is radius of the earth, and here r minus x. Okay, this is height and this is r from center of the earth, and g dash is equal to gm dash by r minus x to the power 2, and m dash will be what? 4 by 3 pi r minus x to the power cube into rho, that is density. So g dash is equal to g into 4 by 3 pi r minus x to the power cube rho by r minus x to the power 2. Now next thing, or g dash is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r minus x into rho. G dash is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r minus x into rho. Dividing, here also dividing. What will you get? G dash by g is equal to 4 by 3 pi g r minus x into rho by 4 by 3 pi g r rho, and 4 by 3 pi g. and 4 by 3 pi g, that will be cancelled. Then finally what will you get? R minus x by r. It means g dash is equal to g1 minus x by r. It means here you are observing here decreasing by x by r, g times x by r. Expression, what will you get expression? G minus gx by r. So here also decrease above the surface of the earth, below the surface of the earth. In both cases what will you get? You will get that in the both cases acceleration due to gravity will be zero, will decrease. At center is equal to g1 minus r by r. In this case at center there will be no radius. Okay, so expression simply g1 minus r by r is equal to what? 1 minus 1 0, g into 0, that will be 0. At center acceleration due to gravity will be 0. Okay, if you are like this video, then you will subscribe, share also. Okay, subscribe my channel SK Singh Bikramganj, so that you will get next video which is related to physics and mainly derivative. I am deriving some questions, mainly derivation I have given in video. Okay, I am making video of derivation of physics class 11. Okay, try to understand all the things, all the points, and in case of any problem you may contact me. My phone number is 8986291661, 8986291661. Okay, try to understand. But I am sharing one thing here, and that thing is you should study all these things in English. If you are studying in Hindi, there will be some problem, but if you are studying in English medium, there will be no problem. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.